Birds are magical for me. The variety, the amount of species. There's always familiar birds around you, calling and singing. So many opportunities that your life is too short to take good shots of even every Finnish bird. To work with the same species again and again, the main thing is to get better photographs, something new for me and maybe hopefully something new that nobody else has taken before. Well, it's the chick of hawk owl. It's the first out of 3 chicks that have jumped out from the nest hole. To know your target is the main thing in nature photography. If you disturb the bird, you don't get the shots. That's the basic thing. Waiting for the right moment, the right situation is, in every case, is different. It can happen after a few seconds, it can happen after a few days, but you have to be ready. When I was much younger, I was a sprinter doing 200 meters. Just before the start, you have to be ready when the gun fires. You have to be ready when the bird arrives. During 1 second happens a lot, and with 10 frames helps to get the best out of the action. You need a lot of things from the camera gear and from the optics. And of course, autofocus in this kind of case is very crucial. When the male came to bring food for the chicks, they looked like they were almost kissing. The technology is nowadays so good that it's more up to you to take the good shots. To get something that stands out, you need special light, really nice background, right angle for the light in the evening. And of course there must be individual birds that are not too shy. And local guide might know the right place to try this kind of shot. Black-throated diver is, I think, one of the most beautiful birds in the world. It's very primitive, very graphic, black and white. And one of the targets was to get real close-ups of the head showing the beautiful eye. Every time I'm shooting them, I get something new. When they come out from the water, there's quite often many water drops in lines on the top of the head. Combined with the water drops and the other patterns, it's really beautiful. It has 32 million pixels, and that means that you can really zoom in. It's a very big file, and of course afterwards you have freedom to crop it, freedom to compose like you want to do it. I've been shooting so many years that I have shot almost all Finnish bird species, and you have to think about how to make new pictures with new ideas. New technology gives you more freedom for taking remote shots, and it's good to at least see and maybe also take pictures of other animals, maybe get some fresh ideas how to capture the soul of the bird. I might be the only wildlife photographer in Finland who has never been seeing or shooting brown bears. never seen a brown bear before, so this is something new for me. I'm the bird man, but it's really nice to shoot also brown bears. Happy to be here. It's moving the brown bear there with nice position. I think I will try take some more shots. Now I approach the remote control place. Let's see what happens. We have put the camera outside there and waiting for the brown bear to go closer. Now it's coming. Yes, in wildlife photography and especially in bird photography, the element of surprise is always there. You have made a big, good plan to shoot something and then you can fail it totally, spend 1 week and without taking any good shot, but then suddenly something else happens in the hide. One adult wolverine appeared suddenly just in front of the eye. Also with beautiful eye. Wherever you are, you have a chance to find nice places to shoot birds. So you don't have to travel hundreds of kilometers to find wilderness. It's closer than you believe. Technology change has made it totally different. File size is totally different. The abilities to shoot in low light conditions. And in normal day, one battery has been enough. With 90D, I think it's more or less up to you. Go out and take the shot. The technology allows it.